Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a SEMO, why did I have to look? A SEMO wax melt haul. I was trying to see if she had a name, like an actual SEMO, is it SEMO wax melt? SEMO, let me see. Yeah, SEMO wax melts, okay. So go follow her Facebook group if you aren't already in there. That's where you can see all the latest and greatest updated information. Everything you need to know about as far as when the next ready to ship is, scents, all that stuff. So let me go ahead and just jump right in. I have ordered from her 2 or 3 times. I have a third order coming from her, and I think I've ordered from her one other time. So let's go ahead. The first thing that drew me in for this restock was this rainbow brittle, and I'm going to do this first because I have scent descriptions here. Everything else is just going to be kind of like, we're just going to kind of wing it. So Sunny Zen Garden of sun washed linen, Zen Garden, and white linen. And she did this gorgeous, what did she call it? Rainbow brittle. So it's rainbow brittle, and it looks like it almost has like chunks of like cereal in it. It's super cute. She's got glitter on it. I know she showcased a lot of it on her website before she went live with her restock, and it is really gorgeous. This scent is freaking amazing. If you love like a bright, fresh laundry scent, this one is so good. I think I really like the white linen scent because I think that's what stands out the most in here. If I'm not mistaken, I think I have a white linen in this order. So this is the very first thing I got. I did get samples too, which is always appreciated, and I'm going to get to those in just a minute. But I like her labeling. Everything always comes packaged really nice. In fact, I think, yeah, this was packaged really, really nice. I was trying to remember how it came, but let's see. So I can find my other, oh here, let me grab my other brittles while I am, oh, so I grabbed a second Sunny Zen Garden because I knew I was gonna really like this one, so I'm gonna head and grab 2. This next one I got, why am I shaking? Sorry, I've got like, my right hand wants to shake. Cannoli Supreme, which is cannolis, sugar cookie royale, vanilla butter fudge, and vanilla sugar cookie dough. So this one sounded right up my alley. I love a good bakery, and I also love a good fresh scent. This one's really good. I smell what smells to me like the sugar cookie royale, which you can get from another vendor. It's called Royal Sugar Cookie, I believe. It smells very similar to that. This would be a great blender, but also if you just wanted like a really nice bakery scent going through your house, you could have this as well. But I can see mixing this with like a strawberry or like maybe a blackberry, maybe some kind of fruity if you wanted like a fruity bakery. I think that would be really nice. Okay, I think, is that all the rainbow brittle that I got? Oh no, wait, I have one more in here. Let's see if I can find it really fast. There we go. Okay. So line dried lavender is lavender linen, line dried cotton, and white clouds. Oh wait, I have some more scent descriptions here. Sorry, I'm on my iPad trying to see descriptions. So there's that, and this one I was a little bit afraid of, but I'm happy to report it's very good. I don't feel like it's a super herbal lavender. I don't feel like it's a really sweet lavender. It's just a really pretty linen scent. I think I'm really gonna like this one. I was scared, but I actually really like it. Yeah, not 100% sure like what all oils are in there, but it's good. So I grabbed 4 of the rainbow brittles, which I'm super happy. And I also noticed she still has stuff left on her website from yesterday's restock, I believe. I don't know when this is going to go up, but if you're interested, go check her stuff out because she had some really good stuff. Okay, this next one, look at how cute these rolling pins are. So this is Velvet Rose Cake, and this is Snow Cake Lush Type, Rose Vanilla Type, and Pink Orchid Amber. I love a good snow cake dupe, but I really loved the fact that this one was mixed with the Rose Vanilla Type and the Pink Orchid Amber. It just sounded like it was going to be really pretty, so I went for it. Now I don't really know what the Velvet Rose smells like on its own because I've never smelled that myself, but this is really good. It's got a really feminine scent, and then it's got that snow cake in there, which is kind of a little bit lighter. It's not too strong. It just smells really, really pretty. And these clothespins, these rolling pins are super adorable. So I love that. I feel like she has a lot of shapes that a lot of other vendors don't carry. I feel like she kind of has her own thing going, so that's cool. The next one I have are these washboards in summer linen, and this is fresh cotton and crisp white peach embrace soothing nuances of blissful lavender for a delightfully pristine appeal. So that's what the scent description is for summer linen. Yeah, this one to me smells a lot like a clean cotton. A little bit, like it's kind of got that clean cotton like undertone to it. And then it's got kind of like a girly scent to it, but it's mostly like a fresh, you know, let's just be real. It's a fresh laundry. That one is really pretty though. Okay, next up we have, oh, that's a sample. I'll get to that in a minute. So next one we have is hazelnut cafe cookies. And I mean, this is pretty much self-explanatory, so. This one's really good. This is like coffee, it's a hazelnut coffee. And then you get the bakery. So it's a good coffee bakery. Love that. Next one I have is olives and avocados. And I'm not 100% sure. I don't think it's the Olive Branch dupe. I think it's like that olive scent that some vendors have. Like I think some people call it Olive You, or what else do people call it? I don't know. Anyways, it's olives and avocados. If I remember correctly, this reminds me of avocado and sea salt, that scent. If you like that, I think you would like this. It's really pretty and fresh and just a little green, just barely. Just barely, but it's good. Some nice green scent. All right, stay. So the next one I have is espresso ice cream, and espresso ice cream is slow churn top notes of sugary sweet delectable cream, mouthwatering nuances of heavenly delicious bliss. Oh, good Lord, this is long. Okay, it's just ground coffee beans, a dash of decadence. Yeah. Okay, let's just, espresso ice cream. I mean, there's not much to say about that. Yeah, so this has that coffee scent, and then it has kind of like, I don't know how or why, but I get the coldness of ice cream whenever there's like an ice cream blend. You can kind of smell like that. If you remember, I don't know, my grandparents used to like take a vat and they would like put ice cream making stuff in it, and it would churn the ice cream. I don't even know, like they put rock salt and some other crap in there and make like ice cream. I don't remember, I was too young. But it was like the best ice cream. It was like vanilla churned ice cream, and you could add crap to it. That sounds really good, right? Just throw in a bunch of crap and stir it. But that's what it kind of reminds me of. It's just that coolness of the ice cream mixed with espresso. Not too complicated there. If you like coffee, you would like that one. Okay. Next one I have is Fresh and Clean, and I have no idea on the scent description on this one. I took the L on getting scent descriptions and whatnot. Ooh, this one's good. This one is crisp, and it's got like that sharp, clean note to it. And what I mean by sharp is it kind of hits you. It's not toned down. It's not, I don't know. I feel like there's something in there that's standing out to me, but I don't know what. Maybe like a little bit of citrus? That could be it. Could be like a citrus laundry type, but that one's good. Fresh and Clean, and I love her washboards. I don't know if I already said that, but her washboards I think are adorable. I think kind of make her stand out a little bit. Actually, all of her shapes are kind of unique. I think I already said that, but White Linen is another one that I absolutely love. I love the red heart. I think that's adorable. Yes, this one is so, like, this is another sharp one. Like when I say sharp, like that really, that clean and fresh note really like hits you. Oh, that one is so pretty. I think I really like white linen. Let's hope so. Let's hope on warm, like I don't hate it or something, because I'm like, yeah, I love all the white linen. And then I'm like, and then I get it warmed up and I'm like, oh crap. Clothesline Fresh, which again, we have peach washboards, or they're not really peach, they're kind of like a tan, I guess. This one's a little bit lighter. This one is more on the floral side a little bit. It's kind of lighter in scent. Kind of almost has like a soapy clean, but it's definitely lighter than like the white linen. I don't know why my throat always gets all messed up when I'm like, I guess maybe I'm just talking crazy. This one I saw on the Facebook board. Someone was talking about this one, or had a picture of it. It's raw sugar mandarin and clean cotton. This one just sounded really good to me. I love a good citrus with like a clean scent. And this one is really good. You definitely get the citrus, and then the clean cotton is kind of toned down. Like clean cotton to me is like really strong on its own, but the mandarin really kind of calms that clean cotton down a little bit. Makes it really, really nice though. Raw sugar mandarin is really pretty, actually, if you like a citrus scent. The next one I have is Aqua Spa, and again, no scent description. Oh, this one's pretty too. Okay, so this one has kind of like a sharpness, kind of like that white linen. It's kind of got more of that ozonic. Yeah, I was going to say ocean, ozonic, ozone type of thing going on. That one is actually really pretty. This one would be a nice bathroom melt for sure. All right, just a couple more here. This one, so my friend Leanne ordered this one, and I had to go back in for another one of these. Strawberry jam and vanilla sugar cookie dough. This smells so freaking good. I know, I'm like, but this one is really nice. The strawberry jam she uses, and that vanilla sugar cookie dough mixed together. This is really good. Like, I have to say, this might be like a favorite bakery scent of mine. It's that really good fresh picked strawberry scent, and then you smell like the bakery, like the vanilla bakery. So good. I grabbed some more of that in yesterday's restock because I was like, I need more of that in my life. Oh, I grabbed another white linen because I knew I liked white linen from a previous order. And then I grabbed vanilla sugar cookie dough. I believe this is another favorite bakery of mine as well. Yeah, it's just, you know, it's vanilla sugar cookie dough. There's not much to say about it, but it's good. It's like, I can see warming this alone, or I can see mixing it with something like the strawberry jam. Like if you had a strawberry scent you wanted to use up, you can mix it with this, or like blackberry, or a fruity, brown sugar, pie crust. All of those would be really good with that one, I think. Okay, and then I grabbed a Zen Garden. I got another blend from her, I think from her first restock that had Zen Garden in it. Oh, this one's really good. This one is more like, out of all the ones I've smelled so far, this one is probably the greenest. But it also has that sharp note in it too, like a sharp, clean type of note. There's definitely something a little herbal and green in here. Not too much though. I like this one. Zen Garden. I feel like this might be an oil, and I feel like Sasha, if Sasha's watching, she could probably tell me what this Zen Garden is, if it's like the normal standard Zen Garden that goes around, or if it's something different. I forget what's in Magic Batter, but we're gonna try to smell it and see. I feel like it's just got a bunch of like bakery stuff in here. So yeah, I think this is probably like cookies, probably like cookie dough, and Yeah, I don't smell anything weird like bubble gum or, you know, fruity. I just smell like bakery. That one's really good. It smells like it's got maybe sugar cookie dough, sugar cookies, that kind of scent. And then I got Clean and Comfy. So this one smells like it's some sort of laundry type or dryer sheet type, I'm pretty sure. It might be Downy or Snuggle, or I'm not 100% sure, but it's definitely laundry of some sort. So there's that. If you like laundry, Clean and Comfy is for you. And then the rest I have are samples. So I was going over and over again, like what in the heck is Platinum Blonde, because I could not remember what it is. And then I remembered it's Blonde Moment type, or Blonde Moment that a lot of vendors used to use, like a lot of back in the day. I'm pretty sure. It's kind of like got that fizzy pop kind of feel. I feel like I haven't had Blonde Moment in a long time. I don't love Blonde Moment. It's not my favorite. This one isn't bad though. I mean, I haven't had it in a while, so I don't know. Maybe, and as Angie would say, my nose changes every 5 minutes, so I've got words for you, but I'll text them because they're not appropriate here. Pink Chiffon and Vanilla Cotton. I love her teapots too. Like, I feel like that's another design that's kind of original to her as well. I like that she kind of took her and tried to make like some of her own molds, you know, bought molds that weren't the same as everyone else. And maybe these molds are done by someone else and I just don't know it, but for me, they're new. This is really pretty, actually. This is a very pretty scent. Very girly. This is going in my daughter's room for sure. Or even the bathroom if you just want a really pretty smell in there. The next one I have is Sweet Nothings, and this is a pretty fan, a lace fan. Actually, it's like an Asian fan, it looks like. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Woo, okay, this one leans kind of on that floral side. Don't really know about that one, but it's not bad. It's not too floral, not overly floral. And then Unicorn Mermaid, I think, is like kind of a popular scent for her, but I don't know. I couldn't tell you like what it is. There's kind of that fan again. Okay, I feel like this has something fruity in it. Maybe rainbow sherbet, or not 100% sure. I wonder if the vendors ever watch this. If Tracy, if you happen to be watching, you're like, you like already know what's in here, so you're just like, get it right. But I have no idea. So anyways, all right, that is it. So here's the thing too, I have not warmed a lot of SEMO yet, and I know I've put what, like 3 orders in, so I don't know the performance of this wax. I can only go by word of mouth, which Sasha was the first one that I saw a SEMO wax melt. Or actually, Sasha was the inspiration behind my first order. If you're not subscribed to her, go check out her channel. She's got a great channel going on over there. Just really love her videos, all that. So if you haven't, go check her out. And where was I going with that? Oh yeah, so I haven't really warmed a lot of her stuff yet. I may have maybe 1 or 2 things I've warmed of hers, but I can't like comment yet on the performance, which I know is crazy. Like, you should really try before you keep buying, but that's not how I operate apparently. So I will come back at some point and do like a more thorough review, like how I think her wax does. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and bye guys.